All right, now we're doing 7Q, complete the pattern number 1. This is by Divyansh Batham, and 91% of the people like it. We have to write a function pattern which returns the following pattern, this one right here, and up to n number of rows. And the returning the pattern is not the same as printing the pattern, right? And then if n is less than 1, we need to return an empty string, and there will be no white spaces in the pattern, right? And it's going to look basically like this, 1 at the top all the way down to a base of n length, with n being the numbers in it. Anyway, so for this one, we're just going to keep it in this regular syntax, and we're going to start by declaring a variable result. We're going to say let result equal an empty array, right? And then after that, we're going to say, we're going to do for loop, and we're going to say for let I equal 1, because we're starting at 1. And then we're going to say while I is less than or equal to n, we're going to say I plus plus, iterating through. After that, we're going to do result dot push, and what we're going to push in here is first thing we're going to say I. Well, we're going to turn this I into a string using the string constructor, which is used to create a new string object, but when it's called instead as a function, it performs type conversion to a primitive string, which is usually more useful, and that's what we're going to be doing. All right, so we're going to say string I right here, and then after that we're going to do repeat. And if you don't know about the repeat method, it constructs and returns a new string which contains a specified number of copies of the string on which it was called concatenated together. All right, so we put string.repeat and then the count number of times. All right, and so we're going to say dot repeat, and we're going to do it I amount of times. All right, and now we got this going on. We're going to come down here and we're going to say return, and then we're going to say result dot join. And if you don't know about the join method, basically what this does is creates and returns a new string by concatenating all the elements in an array separated by commas or a specified separated string. And the separated string we're going to be using is this line break thing right here, the little /n. It'll be just like this, all right? And so we're going to say join by /n, and let's see what happens. Test it out. All right, there we go. Attempt it. Submit it. All right, and this one right here, they're just they're creating an array. Yeah, they're creating an array that's going to be I length, plus 1, since they got to deal with the 0, and then they're going to join it by whatever I is at the moment, and then they just join down here. They just join it together by the /n, and this one is basically doing, I guess, the same thing. That one's just a lot of reading, and then this one's the one we did right here. All right, so let's go over here to mine. All right, very much like this one. Just 3 of us on this one. Best practice in my opinion, and we'll see you next time.